Hey everyone, this is JD from Engine Squared. Today we'll be showcasing the Crane IK follow script for our Unity-based 4D digital construction solution. Whether you're assembling large modular structures or stick builds, our solution gives you the power to visualize and test aspects of your construction plan in a low-risk environment. Building element locations are exported using multi-solid part mass models in Onshape for precise positioning. Our unique solution allows the user to manipulate a building element using a simple 4D animation approach, from nested position to final location, with crane kinematics that automatically generate to follow the desired path. A large variety of cranes are able to be animated using this solution, including tower cranes, luffing cranes, and telescopic boom cranes, with the ability for multiple cranes operating simultaneously. Crane parameters can be easily defined before running the animation as well. For more information, feel free to email us through the contact page on our website. This tool is a work in progress, so expect more features and refinements in the near future. Thanks for watching.